मैम इंक्वायरी कर ली है स्कूल के बारे में।
Okay.
मुझे स्कूल विजिट करना है।
Okay. Yes, sir. So let's go for school visit. This is our school auditorium. Here students come for the workshops like seminars, workshops and or otherwise day celebrations, like for example we have recently celebrated the grandparents day, so we celebrate here. Now let's move. This is our bio lab. For practical, students come here when they have their lecture. Next lab we have chemistry lab. So here students come for the practical when they have their lecture. Now after chemistry lab we have this one physics lab, and this here it is a geography lab. So when students have their lecture, they used to come here and for the practice. This is the Atal lab. Here students come for the robotic practicals. So when they have the practical, they used to do on first PC, and after that they used to make the robotic projects. So here we have music lab. Here we have various type of instruments like the pianos, guitars, tablas and all drums, and also students used to come here and practice according to their interest. According to the student interest, classes are going on. Next we have creativity lab. Here students used to come and make the drawings like this. Pictures they used to make by their own, and they have also made their by their interest like these pictures. Student itself only make with the help of the creativity teacher.
Very nice.
After creativity lab we have the maths lab, and we also have the language lab. Here students used to come and do their practices according to their preparations. This is our library. Here students when get the free lectures, they used to come here and study here. So these are the various types of books we have regarding the students. This is our dance room. Here students when they have the period in day, then they used to come here and do their practices of dance. So like we have Republic Day, so in that they have done the dance, so they are doing practices here only. Let's visit the classroom. Sir, nowadays we have the via face attendance. So first priority of student will be he will come here and he will reveal his face, and then automatically he gets the attendance. If he will also be present, then also you will get the message from the SGBS app. And this is our classroom. So this is our class, and we also have the digital here. So this we have the digital form. So on this the teacher used to teach the students according to the lectures that subject wise. They used to come here and first they used to start the on, and then sir, this is our computer lab. Here students used to come here and for the practice they used to come here, and for also for practical exam like computer exam or else they used to do first practice here according to the exam. According to the student interest or topic given by the teachers, they used to make the charts, and they after selection of the students we stick here. So this is our studio lab. So here teacher used to come according to their topic wise, and they used to record here. And after the recording we used to post on various channels like YouTube. We have our school channel SGVS. So according to the topic, so student can also realize or revision through the videos recording. So students are getting very much helpful. Sir, आपको स्कूल कैसी लगी?
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। स्कूल मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है। मैंने सारी चीज़ें, लैब है, केमिस्ट्री लैब है, फिजिक्स लैब है, स्टूडियो है, मैंने सारी 1 by 1 इंक्वायरी की है। मैं बहुत ही संतुष्ट हूँ। मैं अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन, प्रखर शर्मा का एडमिशन गुरु कृपा में ही कराऊँगा।